Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in your Honor 8 tab. So at the start, always check that you have a focus mode turned off. So open the top menu, expand icons, and now just look for the focus mode. If you don't see this icon here, just tap on the pen icon, and now just look for the focus mode here. So if you tap on it, you can read the focus mode. Just turn it off all of your notifications. So make sure that you have this feature turned off. Little bit obvious, I know, sometimes you can miss it, so just check it. After that, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon. Oh, sorry, not on this device. We have to open the settings. Then go to the apps. And now choose the apps again. Now slide down to the WhatsApp and go to the notifications. Now make sure that you have activated notifications in this place. Turn on the bubbles and now go to the more settings and make sure that you have activated hybrid notifications here and here. You have to turn it on like here. After that, you can also try to open the storage and choose the clear data. Tap on OK. And after that, look for the login again to the WhatsApp and look for the notifications. After that, you can also try to reset your network settings, so go to the system and update and choose reset. Tap on the network settings, tap on this button again, and tap on this button again. In the last step, try to update the system. So go to the software update, and if you have any, just load it and install. And that's it. Thanks for watching, like, comment, and goodbye.